इम्पॉर्टन्स ऑफ नित्यसेवनीय द्रव्य. षष्टिकशाली मुदगश्च सैंधवम अमलकेयवान अंतरिक्षम पय सर्पिश्चांगलम मधुश्च अभ्यसेत. चरक सूत्रस्थान 5/12. It means one should regularly consume shastik rice, shali rice, green gram, rock salt, Indian gooseberry, barley, rainwater, milk, ghee, flesh of jungle animals and honey. Now first, Shasti Shali. It is uncourteous, non-heavy, sweet, promotes stability and elevates three doshas. The properties of Shasti Shali: Shit Virya, Tridosh Shamak, that is elevates three doshas, Sharir Stairakar, it promotes stability, Swadu, sweet, Lagu, non-heavy. Shasti Shali, natural anti-inflammatory, improves nervous system health, diuretic and digestive qualities, prevent constipation, prevent obesity, good source of protein, it promotes heart health, controls blood sugar level and BP. Nowadays, if we correlate with this COVID situation, Shastik Shali initiates digestive power as it is non-heavy, easy to digest. Mugdal. Mudga, that is green gram, is astringent, sweet, rough, cold, katu vipak, light, non-slimy, elevates cough and pitta and is the best among the legumes and used as pulses. Moong dal improve heart health, rich in nutrients, help in prevent diabetes, improve digestive health, boost blood circulation, vitamins like C, K and B vitamins, thereby green gram sprouts are great to improve your immune system, fight inflammation. Due to all these properties, it acts as immunity booster, so help in COVID condition. Next, Amalki. Amalki have proved the antioxidant and immunomodularly activities. It is considered to be balya, that is strength giver in Ayurveda, and is known to impart strength to the body. Amla and its products are rich in source of vitamin C. Supplementation of vitamin C becomes important to prevent respiratory and other systemic infection. It controls diabetes, corrects digestion and regulates bowel movement. It keeps the eyes healthy, improves immunity, strengthens memory. It protects the liver and spleen. It makes the complexion of the skin. As it is antioxidant, it is more in vitamin C. Vitamin C improves the power of respiratory system and that's why helpful in COVID situation. Next, Sendhav Lavan. Sendhav, that is rock salt, is the best among the salt, is realizing appetizer, aphrodisiac, vision promoting, not causing burning sensation, elevates three doshas and is slightly sweet. Boost immunity. Sendhav Namak could prove to do wonders for your immunity too. Rock salt provides all the essential trace minerals and greatly improves the body's immune system. It fights harmful bacteria. Rock salt boosts metabolism, stabilizes blood pressure, boosts immunity, treats sinus, promotes weight loss, promotes sleep, reduces stress. It regulates the circulatory system in good way. Jav, that is barley. Here, barley is rough, cold, non-heavy, sweet, producing abundance of flatus and fishes, promotes stability, is slightly astringent, tonic and elevates tridoshas of kapha. Barley is rich in vitamins, minerals. Barley may reduce hunger and promotes feeling of fullness. Insoluble and soluble fiber content improves digestion. Whole grains are constantly linked to better heart health. Magnesium and soluble fiber may protect against diabetes. As it elevates disorder of kapha, it is helpful in COVID situation as COVID has most similar symptoms of kapha dosha. Godugdha. The cow milk has got these 10 properties: sweet, cold, soft, uncourteous, viscous, smooth, slimy, heavy, dull and clear. Thus, it increases ojas having the same properties due to similarity. Hence, milk has said as the best one among fertilizers and as rasayana. Great source of calcium, reduces risk of obesity, prevent heartburn. Milk with thermic powder can reduces cough and viral infection. Milk help to fight depression, source of protein. Properties of Godugdha: स्वादु, गुरु, मृदु, लक्षण, शीत, प्रसन्न, स्निग्ध, मंद, बहल. अंतरिक्ष जल. When our body is fighting an infection, it needs more energy, more fluids. Therefore, we need to eat and drink more than we usually would if we were all. The rainwater has by nature these 6 qualities, that is cold, pure, wholesome, palatable, clean and light. Madhu. Honey aggravates vata. It is heavy, cold, elevates disorders of rakta, pitta and kapha. Is union promoter, expectorant, rough, astringent and sweet. Honey is heated or taken by a person suffering from heat becomes fatal due to its association with poisons. Honey is useful in small quantity due to its properties heavy, rough, astringent and cold. It acts as catalytic carrier, vital immunity, stimulant agni, oxidative stress, hypertension, immunomodulatory activities, monocyte, lymphocyte, eosinophil. Honey, as it helps to increase O2 level, catalytic character, it helps in COVID situation. Jungle mass. For all living beings, meat soup is the nourishing and cordial. This is regarded as nectar for those suffering from phthisis during convalescence, for the emaciated, those having diminished semen and desirous of strength and lustre. Meat soup prepared accordingly elevates all disease. It promotes wise and strength of age, intelligence, sense organs and life. The person indulged in physical exercise, women and wine do not fall ill or become weak if they take diet with meat soup regularly. It boosts power, increases protein level, as all immunoglobulin are type of protein. It builds up our immunity power, so useful in COVID situation. इष्टवर्ण गंध स्पर्श विधिविहीन अन्नपानम प्राणिनाम प्राणिसंज्ञकानाम प्राणम अचक्षते कुशला प्रत्यक्ष फलदर्शनात् तद्धितनाम हयंतरग्ने स्थिति तत् सत्वम ऊर्जयति तशरीरधातु बलवर्ण इंद्रिय प्रसादकरणम यत्तोक्तम मुख्य सेवन अन्नपानम विपरीत अहितायम संपदयते. चरक सूत्रस्थान 27/3. It means food and drinks with desirable smell, taste and touch and having been taken according to prescribed method is said as vital strength by the experts on the basis of observing their results directly. Because the condition of internal fire depends on the fuel, they produce energy in mind, constitution of dhatus, strength, complexions and clarity of sense organs if properly taken, otherwise they become harmful. Next, प्राणा प्राणभूतानम अन्नम स लोको अभिधावति वर्ण प्रसाद सौ स्थैर्य जीवितम प्रतिभा सुखम तुष्टि पुष्टि बलमेधम सर्वम अन्ने प्रतिष्ठितम लौकिक कर्म यवर्तुस्वर्ग यचवेदिकम कर्मोपवर्गे यच्चोक्तम तच्च अपन्ये प्रतिष्ठितम. चरक सूत्रस्थान 27/350. Food is vital breath of living being. That is why the people rush to the food. Complexion, cheerfulness, good strength, intellect, good wise, imagination, happiness, contentment, corpulence, strength, intellect, all these are dependent on food. The worldly activities done for livelihood, the Vedic ones for attainment of